Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by deciding the story and assembling minimal gear. Choose mood, moody shadows, or warm golden hour, then mount a lens that matches that intent. Put your camera in manual so you control depth and exposure. Set ISO low for cleaner tones. Pick aperture between f/1, 8 and f/4 for cinematic blur, and dial shutter speed to balance motion and exposure. Once set, frame a quick test shot and evaluate highlights and shadows before moving in to refine composition. Now refine how light sculpts your scene and arrange elements to tell the story. Position directional light to create contrast and rim light. Add a reflector or flag to control fill so faces keep dimension. Compose using foreground leading lines and a clean background to separate subject. Make sure depth feels three-dimensional. Adjust white balance to lean cooler or warmer for mood, and consider underexposing 1/3 to 1 stop to preserve highlights and deepen color. Then check a test frame and tweak placement. To finish, take deliberate captures and validate them immediately. Shoot tethered or zoom in on the camera to confirm sharp focus on the intended plane and pleasing bokeh. Bracket exposures and change angles to capture options for editing. Once done, label best frames and backup files. If an image feels flat, add a subtle rim or kicker light, increase local contrast with flags, or slightly lower exposure to regain depth. Those small lighting fixes will transform a good shot into a cinematic one.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.